Hey YouTube, thought I'd do a short on the progress on the timing chain cover 2015 Porsche Macan. So we've got it just about torn down. Shed some light on it here. Got the water pump off, that was leaking as well, so we're going to do that while we're this far. Got most of the 34, 36, 32 bolts, depending on who you believe, out of the timing cover, except for the ones across the bottom. Did not get the crankshaft pulley off yet. Left my pneumatic impact at work and the electric just won't cut it. So there's 4 bolts across the bottom still. I'm going to have to contend with this wiring harness in getting it out. I think I may be able to pull it forward enough to slide the timing cover out of the bottom. Don't know how easily it's going to go back in if I have to do it that way, but this job is definitely not for the faint of heart. We've got the valve covers both off. Show you under here. I was pretty pleased to see this. That's extremely clean for an engine with 140,000 miles on it. And we have the camshaft holding tool installed. Other side looks the same. I'm not going to disturb that and run risk of putting dirt down in it. So far I was able to do without pulling the upper plenum off. I don't know that that's necessarily the way to go once you're this far. What's 8 to 10 more bolts, but we'll see. I may have to pull that to get to a fuel line on reassembly, because the passenger side head is a little bit difficult without loosening the inner nut on the fuel line. But that's where we're at. Probably going to throw a timing chain in it, some new guides while we're in here. Again, we've made it this far. Oh yeah, the oil cooler as well down there below, you'll notice that's been removed. That is being replaced as well. I believe that may have been also leaking. It was hard to tell whether it was the coolant pump dripping down onto it and causing it to drip underneath, or whether it was leaking itself. Probably gonna have to pull a lower oil pan still to get to the oil pump timing chain, which I got a new one of those coming. Anyway, that's where we're at. We're gonna do a little bit more cleaning up before we pull this and dump all that dirt down into it. But yeah, hopefully about 5 more working days I'll have this thing back on the road, if all goes well and my shipments show up on time. So thanks for watching.